Hello traders! In this video, I'll walk you through how to load the New Horizon template into the Strategies panel so the bot can run directly on your chart. First, on your NinjaTrader chart, locate and click on Strategies. Inside the strategy list, find New Horizon by ninza.co. Inside the Settings panel, New Horizon includes 3 primary trading sessions corresponding to trading time 1, 2, and 3. For the first trading time session, configure the settings as follows. Set the start time to 12 OM. Set the end time to 11:59 p.m. These times are based on UTC-6. This means the bot is allowed to operate throughout almost the entire trading session. Next, enter the core parameters. Period, 42. R2, 0.84. Xpeer 1.9. The period setting defines how many bars the bot uses to evaluate market slope and trend structure. R2 measures trend quality and trend consistency. XP determines the required strength of the signal candle before a trade can be triggered. Under exit mode, select Fixed Stop Loss, Take Profit. Then enter the following values. Fixed. Stop Loss. 236 ticks. Fixed. Take profit, 376 ticks. This means every trade will be managed using a fixed stop loss and fixed take profit target. For this template, leave dynamic lookback, stop loss ATR multiplier, and take profit ATR multiplier all set to 1. Since the exit mode is currently using fixed stop loss take profit, the stop loss and take profit levels remain fixed based on the values above. So those ATR-related settings will not affect execution in this configuration. In this template, we only use trading time 1. Therefore, trading time 2 and trading time 3 should be disabled. Now let's move to the most important section, probability statistics. Set quantity to 1. Set commission to 4.36. Under losing streak, enter 1 to 10. This means the bot will allow live trade execution only after the system detects a virtual losing streak between 1 and 10 consecutive trades. Under winning streak, enter 4. This means the bot can also activate live trade execution after the system detects a virtual winning streak of 4 consecutive trades. Probability statistics is not the primary entry signal itself. Instead, it acts as a secondary probability filter. The bot will continue tracking trade signals normally, but it will only execute real trades when the losing streak or winning streak conditions are satisfied. Next, enable the following settings. Performance mode, enabled. Win-loss streak filter mode, enabled. These 2 options allow the strategy to apply the win-loss streak probability filters during live execution. For this template, leave fixed SLTP adjustment disabled. Once all parameters have been entered, review everything one more time. Then click Apply, followed by OK. At this point, New Horizon has been successfully attached to the chart through the Strategies panel, and the bot is now ready to operate using this template. That completes the New Horizon strategy template setup process. The most important concept behind this template is the probability statistics system. The bot does not execute trades randomly on every signal. Instead, it uses win streak and loss streak statistics as an additional layer of filtering to help identify higher probability execution timing. When running live, make sure your data series, instrument, time frame, and template settings all match the original backtest conditions as closely as possible in order to maintain consistency with the historical performance statistics. Here is the real trading performance of the bot on a Bulenox funded account. From April 13th to May 8th, the bot executed 30 trades in total. The final net profit was $1,619, with a profit factor of 2.33 and a maximum drawdown of only $439.50. The equity curve shows steady growth throughout the test period, ending at the highest profit level. This result shows how the bot performed in real market conditions using the configured New Horizon template.
Join the NinzaFamily forum to stay connected, ask questions, and explore ideas with our team and other traders. There's a lot more waiting for you inside. Links in the description. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss our latest content.